The month of May is recognized as Better Speech and Hearing Month, and among the many issues being highlighted under this area is speech and language delay in children. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Let's go again. Boop. Yee! Do it one more time.
Speech and language are tools that persons use to communicate or share thoughts, ideas, and emotions. On average, babies start making cooing or babbling sounds at 3 months, or by the time they are 1, some are able to form words. But not all children develop at this rate. Ann-Merita Golding is a speech-language pathologist. She says at least 85% of patients seen in her practice are children. A number of them have speech and language delay due to varying factors.
We are looking at, other people in the family may have language problems. Premature birth is also a factor. Hearing loss is a factor that a lot of people may take for granted. They'll say, my child is hearing. Well, what are they hearing? Because there are certain frequencies that are necessary for speech and language, speech communication, conversational speech, we call it. There's autism, there is Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, stroke and brain injury.
Ms. Golding suggests that a child needs to be evaluated if he or she is unable to form words by 20 months.
If you see a child pointing to request, if they don't make very good eye contact, if they are more interested in independent play, so they play by themselves and objects, and they're more interested in doing that than interacting with other children. These are all signs that indicate that you may want to, you should, get the child assessed to ensure that there is nothing that is impeding their language development.
But COVID-19 resulted in a greater setback for many children, especially those between 0 and 5 years. They're unable to socialize or interact with others due to the closure of schools. She's encouraging parents and guardians to speak and read to their child daily, as well as to ask them questions and wait for a response.
Another important one is to limit use of devices. Limit tablet time. See, the thing with tablets and iPads, they are very attractive and they hold the child's attention, but it does not require them to express anything. So you're wondering why your child is not speaking. It's because situations aren't created for children to express themselves through dialogue. So you want to limit tablet time and use of computers.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.